Welcome to my family's first time in Salt Lake City. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Hawkins Sager if you're new here. I make all kinds of adventure videos and I have not been more excited to make a video than this one right now. It's because it's my family, my whole family's first time in Salt Lake. My parents have been here before, but it's my siblings' first time. My sister's boyfriend's along too. So we have all sorts of adventures planned for us. Skiing, checking out restaurants, going to Park City probably, maybe even the Salt Flats, we'll see. Now, they got in last night and we went to a place called Afghan Kitchen, which was so good. I was really impressed. Then we tried rolled ice cream, which I didn't know was a big thing, but my sister was pretty pumped up for it. Both really great. Had a lot of fun laughing and seeing everyone again. We're about to go grab breakfast right now though, so I will see you at breakfast. Good morning.
Morning. So we're doing Hawkins.
The first full day kicked off with a really nice breakfast at the Park Cafe right near Liberty Park in Salt Lake City. And then we got to fun. We hit up some skiing. Finally made it. We did a run in. Time to hit some more.
Just go all the way. Straight all the way. Don't stop.
Maybe. After a fun afternoon of skiing, we ended my birthday with my favorite meal, wings. Now we started day 2 real early up at Brighton. We got there before the lifts opened. I set up my cooking setup and we started making some breakfast.
We have more food.
7 minutes.
What do you think, Kaya?
Kai, what are your thought process on this?
Millie.
How about like 7 minutes? Is that accurate?
That's because Everett is dad and Hawkins is mom. Dad too, though.
I got Everett just feasting. Everett.
My guy's munching.
Day 2 of the adventure. We are skiing at Brighton today with everyone. Just made
sir.
breakfast.
Let's go.
And we're gonna hit the hill pretty soon.
Who needs sunscreen?
Yeah, it'd probably be easier.
You want some sunscreen, Kaya?
No.
Chris, do you want sunscreen? Huh?
Well, we're up here today. We just made it up to our first run. I'm probably gonna be doing a lot more follow cams, so you're gonna see my family skiing most of the day. This is the Everett Sager follow cam. There it is.
Oh, that hurt. That one hurt.
Yeah. Hit the jump. You. Oh Jesus! Everett.
Sorry. I'm good. I didn't fall.
Ah! Nice stop. Everett made me fall.
I ate kitten.
Oh crap.
Oh, sorry.
You were so out of control. I know.
Have Hawking get a kick out of his
Really fun, but I'm toast now. You know, was ripping it through the trees. You know, I felt like Shaun White out there. But, you know, ankles gotta recover.
At the end of that day of skiing, we just headed back to the Airbnb and relaxed, played some games, and enjoyed the rest of our night with each other. Now the main agenda item on the next day was Park City, so we headed over from Salt Lake and made the drive down 80 all the way over to Park City.
Now, is there a day rate? Oh, that was a right.
And after walking down the main street of Park City, we grabbed some really good food, had a really great burger with some chips, and then my sister and I popped on over to the ice cream store, Java Cow, for some well-deserved ice cream. Included our little tour and walk around of Park City, which is just a beautiful mountain resort, would highly recommend. But then, we headed back to Salt Lake and went right to City Creek Mall. Now, most of the family thought we were just going to check out downtown, but what my sister's boyfriend didn't know is that we had a little surprise prepared for him. What he didn't know is that my mom and I found out there was a luxury car show going on in Salt Lake that very night. So we put together a little excursion to head that way, and man, it was pretty cool.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it, it's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric.
Well, successful surprise for Memphis. This place is absolutely insane. They loaded up the gateway with about like over 100 cars, so many Porsches, like Ferraris, and all kinds of vehicles. We're gonna grab some food now, and yeah, Super cool event, did not expect this. Morning.
Morning.
Now today we had two main items on our agenda. First of all, we were getting all ready to go head over to the Mormon Tabernacle Choir, which is actually pretty unique. Even if you're not a member of the church, it was really cool to see. Just listen to them. And then we headed west to the Bonneville Salt Flats, which at this point at the time of the year were just filled with water. It wasn't just the salt flats that you could walk out onto normally. There was so much water, but it was still pretty. Well, the salt flats turned out to be a major bust for getting some pictures, so we piled back into the car and headed back towards Salt Lake. Made one more pit stop by the Great Salt Lake by the Saltaire Palace.
I can tell where you're standing up.
Let me get a picture of it. Come from this way.
It's a picture of Hawken and Mom and you guys. What do you think? We got sand?
Should we just stop? That's the only one you want to do? I don't know. Topic, what do we, everybody,
Finally, after years of taking pictures, we are leaving. Top golf later tonight. Pre-game interview?
You know, my name's Everett Sager. I've never really golfed before, but this ball, to the moon.
Can't stop me.
My court is just going. You're a slicer. I slice everything.
Top Golf was a great time as always. Super fun group activity for everyone in our family. And then as the sun began to dip down lower and lower below the mountains, we celebrated my sister and I's birthday unexpectedly. Had a bunch of people come out and deliver us some ice cream, which is really nice, but also equally embarrassing. But with that, the trip basically came to a close. There wasn't much else after this.
Yeah.
Well, my family's now back at the airport. It's now Monday, the end of a really long and fun weekend. It was super fun to have my siblings in Salt Lake for the first time, my parents back again. Just an overall amazing weekend out in the ski hill and all over Salt Lake City. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below if you want to know any of the things we did or have any more details. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Well, the best part about these kinds of trips are the people you spend the time with. So huge shout out to my family for making it one of the best birthday weekends ever.